How are you doing, everybody? Jonathan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your dashboard so that you can send your clients their measurements. Now, there are a couple of things that you want to start off by updating, and that is your trainer profile. Let's go over that together. You're going to click on your trainer profile, and then anytime you need to change the name on the profile, you can do so here. If you ever need to change the email from which your measurements are being sent, you can change them in the email field. If you ever want to change your username and password, you can do so. After you run out of your 5 sheets, if you wanted to purchase more sheets, you can click on the Upgrade Now button. And most pertinent to this video is whenever you send your clients their measurements, you can also include your logo, which would be a great idea for branding. So if you want to include your logo, you just hit on Choose File, hit your logo, hit Save. And as you can see, every time that you send an email, this logo will be included in the email for your clients. Now, the next thing that you want to change is your email template, the message that they actually receive. So you're going to hit on User under Email Template. And this is the default message that you're going to get for your clients. And this is the default message that your clients would get when you were sending their measurements. Now, there are a couple of short codes in here that will save you time. The most important short code is the open bracket PDF document close bracket, because that's going to create a link that your client can click in order to view their measurements online. Everything else you can pretty much change, but let's go over what you'll see. The email subject, fitness profile measurement results. It's going to say thank you for using this. Here's your fitness profile. And below, the company name tag will put in your company name automatically. The username will put the name of your client, and then dedicated to your fitness success, it'll have your first name, your email, your company name, and your logo. Now, you may want to include your phone number, so we'll just add this here. We're going to click to the right of company name. We're going to hit Shift and Return, and then we'll type out your phone number. If there are any other links that you want to include, you can also put them in. So I'm going to hit Shift Return, and I'm hitting Shift Return so that we move one space at a time. Here's the link to our Facebook page, and then you would have to type the link out completely. So I'm going to hit the Save button. All this information is saved. And now we're going to send a test email to this email address. Submit. And as you can see, your first name would show up. Display images below. You now have your logo, your phone number, and a website that your clients can click in order to get to your home website.